Okay, we went over multiplying monomials today, so let's just do a few practice problems. If you'd like to, you should write them down and try them on your own. Hit pause. Got 5 problems here. Bring it down just a little bit. So if you want to hit pause and write that down, that's a 7. Okay, that's the next set. And then there's the last one. Okay, let's just go over these. First, we look and we multiply our coefficients, which are our numbers. So that's 2 times 3, which is 6. Then I have these match, x and x match. Remember that a variable all by itself, it has an understood exponent of 1. So I'm going to write x 2 plus 1, and then that leaves me with 6x to the 3rd power, and that's my final answer. There's nothing else that I can do with that. Okay, on the second one here, you try it on your own. Hit pause, make sure you got it right. Alright, negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. My x's match, so I have x to the 3 plus 7 right there. Those are my exponents. Negative 8, x to the 10. That's that problem. And then we have this one. I have my numbers. 9 times 3, when I put that in my calculator, is 27. The x's match. 2 plus 3, 27, x to the 5th. Alright, I come over here, do my numbers first. 7 times 9, that's 63. I go through, I have an x to the 2, go back through, there's an x to the 3rd. Come on back through, y to the 5th, up, and y to the 1. So then that leaves me with 63, x to the 5th, y to the 6th. And then my last one down here, negative 9 times positive 9 is negative 81. I go through, there's an x squared. Got any more x's by themselves? Oh, there's a plus 3. Y to the 5th, and plus 1. Negative 81, x to the 5th, y to the 6th. Okay? Alright, let me see if I can come up with some more for you. Let's do one more. Okay. Now the other thing that we learned today had to do with power to a power. 2 raised to the 2nd power, all of that raised to the 3rd power, and all of that raised to the 2nd power. So I start off with what's in the parentheses, and I go 2, and I multiply my exponents. And 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 times 2 is 12. So that's 2 to the 12th power. Okay? Trying to find a couple more examples here for you. Give me a moment here. Alright. Let's do one like this one. Sorry for the delay here. Here we go. Alright. b to the 4th times b squared. Do they have the same base? Yes, they do. 4 plus 2. So that equals b to the 6th. Okay? Let's do one like this one. a squared b times ab to the 4th. Okay? Get my a's together. There's an a squared. There's an a1. Here's a b to the 1. And a b to the 4. That means a to the 3rd, b to the 5th. Remember, pause them. Once I write down the questions, you can pause them. How about this one? Okay? First thing that I'm going to do, go ahead and write that down and pause it, and you try and solve it on your own. Okay? So, I'm going to first put my 1's there because that is understood to be there. And I'm going to go through. Here's an m to the 3rd. Got any more m's? Oh, there's 1. Come back through. N to the 1st plus 2. That leaves me m to the 4th, n to the 3rd. Alrighty. And let's try and do no more for right now. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.